So guys, this AI agent does write blog for you in just a matter of minutes, and it's super simple to make, super simple to build this. Uh, all you have to do is give this form a uh, the title, the type of audience, the tone, and the number of words. And after you click submit, this agent will write that blog and send it over to uh, your Gmail. So this was an example. So let me give you an overview what this entire agent does. So once you put the information into your form, this agent will find go to do the research of finding the related topics on the topic you submitted, and it will write 10 different titles on based on that topic. And after writing those 10 topics, it will split those topics into different uh, what do you say uh, array or array, I don't know. So after splitting those titles into different arrays, those title will go to this AI agent, and it is connected to OpenAI and Perplexity, which is the most powerful AI agent you can do for research purpose. And it will write those uh, newsletter, those blogs based on those 10 different topics. I mean 10 same topic with different title. And after that it will merge and it will aggregate. And over here this section is like an editor. So everything will be in a very formatted, very in a proper way. Like over here we have a title and description, and title and description with all the sources, you know. So this is that part. So let me do this live example right in front of you. Let's uh, see that. Let's search for, let's say we want to write a topic about what AI will look in the next 10 years. And I want this for 30-year-old people. Sorry. The tone should be direct, and I want like let's go for 2000 because 4000, let's go for 4000, okay? I can edit the video later. 4000 might take a little bit longer, so let's submit now. So okay, the workflow is done. So let me explain everything that's going on, what's going on in this workflow. So we will start with a simple form submission, and we have like just type whatever we want to type over here. This is basically name of the form, and we want topic. It should be in text, of course. Then audience, you can also write it in numbers. And over here we have tone of the newsletter, how it should sound. It can be anything: humorous, direct, casual, formal. And over here we have number. We have like option for 2000 words, 3, 4. We can go to as long as you want. Then we will connect our form to our edit field. So we have 4 edit field: topic, audience, tone, and word, number of words. And just drag everything from here to here. Like for topic, drag topic from here to here. These are called variables, okay? And then we will connect our edit field to AI agent. So this AI agent basically the topic we chose, okay? For example, we have what AI will look in next 10 years. So it will find topic related to this topic. Okay, so we have uh, the AI landscape today, foundation of the future, breakthrough technologies shaping next gen AI, AI and human augmentation, enhancing everyday life. So basically, this is like a extended version of what we chose, the topic we chose. So over here we have basically the topic, which is this AI will look in next 10 years. The audience, again, you see all of these are basically, sorry, these are basically your variables. Just drag from here to here. This is a tone, direct tone, and over here we have the number of words. Then here, this is where the magic happens. You can go as deep as you want, as you like, but I chose basically ChatGPT to write me basic instruction for the sake of of this video. So let me go through it quickly and let me explain what exactly it does. So basically this agent, we instructed this agent that whatever you get from our edit field, okay, so write 10 different topics based on that topic. Okay, it will go through Google, go do its research, internet research, and find topic related to the topic we wrote. Okay, so this is what I instructed it. So I just wrote like your goal, create an engaging table of content for each newsletter based on its topic, tone, targeted audience, and number of words. Task: understand the newsletter topic, tone, targeted audience, and number of words from the input. Use Google Gemini. We have connected Google Gemini for the research. Table of content should be 8 to 10 engaging titles, and it should be short, and it should match the tone and the targeted audience. So we have chosen we have chosen tools, Google Gemini tool for the research. And over here we just gave an example how it should look like. And over here these are the guidelines. It should be short and clear, uh, match the tone and content of the specific audience, balance information, and we just included current date. Then we will connect our AI agent to our open chat model. OpenAI chat model basically do its research. So how we do that? Go to your credential, and over here we have to put API key. So go to platform.openai.com/settings, and you will get to this page, and click on API keys and click over here. Create a new secret key. Just type whatever you want. Click on default project and create a key. You will find a key. And just copy that key and paste it over here. And then we will connect our Google Gemini. For that, it's super simple. Just go to Google and type Google Gemini API. Click on the first link and click over here. Create API key. Just name whatever you want. Click on that project. Click on create key and copy that API and paste it over here. Okay. So for OpenAI chat model, we don't have to put anything else. Just you can choose the model, which model you want. I'm choosing 4.1 mini. The higher you go, the more effective, but at the same time the more costly it gets. And over here we have Google Gemini. For that, just put in your credential. Once you put in your credential, choose set automatically text messenger model, and over here just choose your model, and you can just leave it as it is. And over here you need to click on this simplify output. So once you do that, we get this output. So you see this, that this entire table is like it's all together. We don't want that. to make the AI agent work, we want that AI agent goes to this individual topic, okay, then research on that topic and give us separate information like we have in this newsletter. Then then it's connected to our message model. Basically, it separates all the topics. Like everything over here is connected, right? So this AI agent, this message model separates everything. So I just gave a basic instruction like break down the table of content into the individual section and output them as separate item. So over here you can just pause the video and just go through it. I just told the agent that it should call newsletter section and the targeted audience, the tone, the output should be maximum 10 and it should not be more than 10 sections. And over here we have the output. This is the output. Okay, we have total 10 table of content. And now the agent will, as we get further, as we move forward, the agent will go through each individual topic and write the newsletter for you. Okay, then we will connect split out. Basically, this is we want a table and we want different rows. So every topic is in different row. So just click over here. Okay, just drag this section to this section and that's it. Then over here, this is the where research part takes place. All these topic we have, all this table of content we have, this AI agent will do its research and write newsletter for you. So this is the basic instruction we have. Let me start from the top. So we have a section description. Basically, this is the output. This is the table we just made in the previous node in the split out section. Just drag from here to here. Then we have targeted audience. So go to form submission, click on audience and drag from here to here. Then same for the tone and same for the number of words. And over here we have system message. So basically I just kept it super simple. You are in a newsletter title creator and your goal is to write catchy and relevant content for newsletter based on its content, tone, audience and in the number of words. So over here I just drag this number of words from here to here. I want like 4,000 words in one newsletter, but it doesn't work all the time. There are certain topics that cannot be, stretch this enough. Then we have task that read the newsletter, consider a tone, targeted audience, and same stuff. The output should, in a plain text, every letter should has capitalized first letter. This is the basically example. Again, I connected this to OpenAI and Perplexity. And over here, I basically just wrote a simple message to Perplexity that do the research for the newsletter. And over here, make sure to choose user, otherwise it won't work. And over here, once everything is out, the newsletter is written. Now everything should merge and get together. So these two nodes merge. Click on combine position and 2. And once everything is done, this is the aggregate. So this is the title and this is the basic, a basic description, a basic overview of the title. So I want everything should be in a get together. Everything should be in one place. So over here we have aggregate and choose individual field and output. Just drag from here to here and then merge list. So this is the output. Then once everything is aggregated, we have this part where the newsletter is basically edited, or it has to look nice for the newsletter. So basically I just chose another AI agent, and over here I just wrote a simple prompt message that it's a list of articles, and just drag the aggregate output from here to here. So once you do that, this is the output. These are all the topics that previous AI agent has searched for. And over here, this is the basically I'm telling the agent that the newsletter should have like its title should be in capital letters, in bold letters. It should be in HTML format. Keep all the inclined citation intact. Use consistent citation format across all the section and stuff. This is basically add one resource section at the end of the newsletter. Like I have all the resource in the end. And basically this is the editorial part, and then this is the part where everything is all together. So over here I have another message model, OpenAI message model. Click on text messenger model, choose your model, and over here at the store core function is to generate a headline for the provided newsletter content. This is the tone, again the odd targeted audience and number of words, and this is the output. So this is the entire your newsletter. So you can see this, we have all these commas and brackets and stuff. We don't want this in our newsletter. We want this to be in a clear, in a more sophisticated in a way. So here we have formatting requirements. Deliver the headlines as unformatted text without quotation marks. Apply the title case capitalization. Capitalize the first letter of each word. This is again the basic example. So once you do that, connect this to your message model. So over here, connect your Gmail to your credential. It's super simple. Click on message, send, put in your email address, and over here we have the result. So click over here and drag from here to here. So this is the title, okay, and this is the entire newsletter. Click on, make sure to put this on HTML, and for the message, click over here, output, and drag from here to here. That's it. And over here we have a daily newsletter. Basically this is your subject line. And over here click over here, turn this off. Append N8n attribution. You might have seen that in the end of any message that you get from N8n, you get a message, you get a little message over here in the bottom that this email was sent by N8n. We don't want that. So make sure to turn that off. So this was the entire AI agent for writing blogs in just a matter of minutes. This was just basically basic structure. You can go as deep you want. This is a short, this is a more digestible way of, this is extremely short and digestible newsletter, but you can go as deep as long as you want. So I just gave you a basic structure of writing a blog using an AI agent.